I'm just gonna say I agree with this man. But before I do that, I have to say hello to my girl Lewandowski, because I know she missed me. If you can't admit it right now,
why are you forcing people to miss you?
Because
it's not like you got me anything. It's not like you got me anything.
Had you admitted then that, but it's okay.
Why should we be? Why should you pay people to miss you?
You need to bribe my love.
No, I'm angry too. I've been texting you on Instagram, on WhatsApp. Girl was having a good time, so there was no time for,
Girl almost died on vacation. You know what, Let me tell you something about Zungu. Zungu will fix you in life. I ate everything that I came across in Kenya. And then on day 4, my stomach was like, no, my sister, we are built for sadza. What you are doing to us is not what we're here for. I spent a good number of times visiting the loo. A very good number of times. I was like, God, I want to be buried in Zimbabwe, please. Let me at least go home. But you know what? Sometimes you must just carry your sads on vacation. That small little 5 kg.
Then it won't be. It won't be a vacation if you're carrying home around.
That's ugali.
I taste different.
It tastes different.
Ugali and sads are two separate.
You see what I'm saying?
There's something about our sads.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm back. I'm alive. I'm well. Thank you. In any case, let's get into our trending story. So the trending story is of an American-based Nigerian blogger who is saying Kuti on his wedding day, he is going to contact snipers to shoot anyone who tries to steal his spotlight. Saying Kuti proposing during someone's wedding is wild.
It is.
It is so. You know what? Matter of fact, let's just make sure Kuti we hear it from the horse's mouth.
On my wedding day, I'm going to hire 4 men with fully loaded snipers hidden in 4 different corners of the wedding venue. And not for the reason why you think. The hitmen are not there for my safety or for my protection. The hitmen are there for the sole purpose of shooting any man that decides my wedding day is the perfect day for him to propose to his girlfriend. Because have you lost what's left of your mind? Nobody should even be happier than me. If I see anybody smile more than me and my wife on my wedding day, fume. If you look like you're more in love than me and my wife on my wedding day, fume. Don't try me, please.
I like this man.
Yeah?
I like this man. It makes so much sense. Because why are you trying to outshine me on my day? Why are you proposing? We are celebrating our love. Why didn't you take your love elsewhere and do your thing? Why should you propose on why should you actually have the spotlight on my wedding day? It's my day. It's my day.
But Haungachene,
kana.
Can I wear my nice shiny designer dress?
Lewe, try coming to my wedding in a white dress. You won't even get past the gate. Just try
it. It's just white. It's not like a white, it's a wedding gown or something.
That is better than my car. We're gonna have problems. Everyone is coming in driver. Wedding day. You hear me? Everyone, leave your wedding rings at home.
Why should we humble ourselves so that where you feel great? I don't know if humble is the correct term. Why do people want us to pretend to be below them? Excuse my friend.
No. Listen, Lewe. As a person, you get a few days that are really special in your life. Birthdays don't matter. After you hit the age of 25, birthdays don't matter.
They do.
No. Let's be honest.
Okay.
When was the last time you got a cake without getting yourself a cake?
Without getting myself a cake?
Yes.
Last year, I got a cake from my cake. I got a cake from my cake.
Okay, I got
my cake from my cake. It's delightful cakes. Yes.
After 25, Rora Day matters. Wedding day, white wedding matters. You hear me? Anniversary matters. Those are the things that we need. That's my day. My birthday doesn't matter because everyone has a birthday. But on my wedding day, please, let me
it
feel
happens
like
once in a moment. So should we pretend like me and my husband are not married, are not happy just because you and your partner have to look the loveliest, the happiest?
You can only bring your joy to my wedding if it's for me and my husband. Don't bring your joy to come and boast about it at my wedding. No, love each other, be inspired by our love story, but go and propose outside of our wedding venue. Don't propose within. Now everyone is like, woo, takuombera the newly engaged couple over the wedding couple.
Yeah, but no, that's wild. For me as a lady, the guy proposing marriage to me on someone else's marriage, it's a lack of effort.
Exactly.
Bad. In the same spirit of marriage.
It's inspiration.
Yes, it's inspiration.
No, it's jealousy. No.
We're the spirit of marriage. I might just as well. If you don't want me to outshine you, why are you even throwing on or planning to throw the bouquet? You see. So if you can throw a bouquet, then I can.
No, a bouquet is a blessing. I am blessing you guys on our wedding day because you know what? Here's a blessing. But you bringing
the blessing quickly manifested.
No, don't bring drama to my wedding. The only drama is me and my husband. The only center of attention is me and my husband. I have fought many battles to find this husband, get married, throw this big wedding, only for you to come and also do one knee. And yes, in front of everyone.
You know my worst? So my worst will be vanoti I've organized an event, be it a birthday, rangu, remwana, a wedding, when engagement part, for what? Meeting. I don't like those family meetings after my event. Like, I'm thinking people should go to their houses still in that jovial mood. Why can't you set another date for your family meetings?
You know,
I know my family meeting and mad.
And you should make everyone put on some sort of uniform so the spotlight can be on you. You see what I'm saying? It makes so much sense. I want to be that child that came in civis, and everyone else is wearing uniform. Hey.
So I guess that's where the whole roller sweat idea came from. Mm-hmm. What tickets are fun, and then you have this unique dress.
Same color, same earrings, same shoes. Don't even try it.
For me will be
Let us know what you think about this, because you know what, kuningi okwenzakalayo. Uyathola ukuthi ule birthday umuntu efike lapho ecece last number yezwa, fake perfume eyogcina trying to outshine the birthday girl. Kanti yini, what is it? Tell us so we can help you get rid of that spirit, man. You cannot propose during someone else's wedding day. Angivumelani lakho. But then again, that's my opinion. What's yours? 077-216-2651. A Nigerian, American-based Nigerian blogger saying, Gutiena, he will hire snipers for anyone who tries to outshine him on, his wedding day. Because why would you propose on my wedding day? Awenzi.